Hello, welcome. Let's look at the different activities that you have to do to earn with gram free. You can choose to do a free roll every day where you earn 0.1 gram to 1,000 gram. You can choose to go for the lottery where you buy a ticket at 1.5 gram and it can earn you up to 5,000 gram. You can choose to refer people where you copy your link and share it with friends. You can also choose to watch videos where you'll earn 0.1 gram for every video that you watch. You can say I watched all my videos today. You can choose to sign the smart contracts every day. I will earn 2 gram every day. So that's all you need to do. Gram is a legit program that has been paying, and so many people have testimonies about it. Thank you.